I'm here at the Municipal Building, where Kendall directors and neighboring residents will have the opportunity to speak before the Planning Commission later tonight. In 1995, a group of residents formed the Lexington Retirement Community because they saw a need for a continued living place in the area. The committee eventually partnered with the National Kendall Organization. Kendall at Lexington acquired 85 acres from Sunnyside Farm in 1998. The original agreement stated the 27 undeveloped acres would remain open. Now, the retirement community is looking to change the city ordinance to expand its facilities on that property. The zoning application must first go through the Sitting Planning Commission, then City Council.
One of our primary tasks is to make sure that the development that does come in, if it is approved, doesn't affect the surrounding property owners or the community in a negative way.
The retirement community plans to build 38 independent living cottages on the undeveloped land behind me. Kendall hopes that the revenue raised from these independent cottages will go towards renovations to the Rehabilitation Center and Assisted Living Center. Diane Herrick has been a Kendall resident for 3.5 years. She said she enjoys a sense of community and hopes the additional cottages will add to that.
We are finding with baby boomers coming up, there continues to be an ever-increasing demand for residential living in this kind of continuing care place. And we would like to be able to meet that demand.
However, many neighbors in the area are concerned about the proposed plans. Most of the complaints focused on the additional construction, the redesign of the terrain, and the view.
Elected officials or appointed officials bowed to the interest of corporations. If they bowed every time, we would not have a Central Park. We wouldn't have a Blue Ridge Parkway. We wouldn't have the mall in D.C. or the Little Hopkins Green.
Molly McClure plans to ask for a referendum, which would allow citizens to vote on the issue.
Because they were given that land in exchange for the covenant not to build on it ever. And that's a permanent covenant that runs with the land.
We'll make a recommendation. It will be up to the City Council to decide whether or not the Kendall can move forward with the expansion. I'm Ellen Kanzinger with the Rockbridge Report.